Okay, now we'll sing a song about the sense of touch. Now I'm going to tell you about two kinds of sense of touch. That is hard and soft. Now can you tell me what is hard? A rock is hard. This ball is hard. Yes, hard is very, this is how it goes. It's very hard. Now, what is soft? Your soft cheeks, your skin is soft. Yes, that is what is soft is. How is hard? Hard. How is soft? Soft. Hard, soft. Okay, now we'll sing a rhyme. Let's go. Use our hands to touch. We use our hands to touch. We touch all things both hard and soft. We use our hands to touch. We use our hands to touch. We touch all things both hard and soft.